Hey Google, set an alarm for 5 minutes from now.
Done. Your alarm's set for 8:28 p.m.
All right, hello. Welcome to the pet room. I'm not sure if you can hear, but certainly this drive over here is doing bad things. So, and I'm not sure. Obviously, it's not the 6502 chip. It is not. It is not. I don't know what it is. But anyway, what do we have here? But we have. This is exactly where I'm going to be sucking the solder out. But I need to let the iron warm up. And so, that is why I've set an alarm for 5 minutes from now. So I'm going to go over here, a little bit away, not too far away, and look for my incredibly powerful glasses and some others. That I think are a little more powerful, but not beastly like the others, so that I can see quite well onto this. And this is, of course, the bottom of a 2114 chip. There are 4 of them in this drive. The flat error code is not telling me that this is what needs to be done, but I'm going to do it. I am. Now the 4040 is definitely screwing up. So I think I'm getting to, oh yeah, it's true. Yeah. Alright, I'm pressing the run stop key. It looks like, oh, well, now it looks like it might be copied. Very strange. But definitely it's, something is not as it should be. Oh, okay, I hear things are chattering. Okay. And we have a read error. Catalog D1. Will we read D1? I'm just tickling the drive. Okay, it's sort of reading. Catalog D0. Well, it's, the drive one is really not, we did read, but it really doesn't want to. It's not, I'm going to. I got this hot soldering iron here, so I gotta be careful. I'm gonna take the disk out of drive one. Oh yeah, that iron is hot. And it's right in front of the drive. I'm gonna take the disk out of drive 0, put it in drive 1, try and do a catalog, and it will not. Oh yeah, the iron is hot. D0. Alright. We're going to switch and find that indeed we're having the same sorts of troubles. We did unloading. Oh. Hey Google, cancel. Okay. The iron has been heating for 5 minutes. I think that should be enough, but we will see. Yeah, that did nothing. I will go to the next one. Well, that did well. That did well. Oh yeah, that's lovely. I find put the iron on just a little bit of an angle so the air has somewhere to suck. So right on the solder, little bit of an angle, suck everything. Always squeeze the ball away from the board and have somewhere, because undoubtedly some solder is going to come out. That one is not coming. This one could be on a bigger bus. Yeah, I'm not pleased with that at all. Well, we'll go down the other side and we'll come back. And these are going well. And the drive is screwing up. That one did not go well. That one better. Don't be afraid to give the ball a little extra squeeze a time or two. Because you want to get, don't want to be spraying solder on the board. Okay, squeeze. Little angle. We're looking good, except for the first one I started on. Gotta get on there. Give it a little push, give it a little angle. Nope. Not going well. Alright. Go back on there. Work it around a bit. I don't think that went well at all. It's too bad, because all the rest of these look pretty fine. I'm just pushing the pins away from the sides. Because undoubtedly there's always a little solder in here. And I don't want things to be stuck And then you go to take them out ever so gently and have it rip in traces. Okay, I will have another look. With my very powerful glasses. This one, it's just not happening. Alright, I'm going to set the iron down with great care. And, sorry, I gotta move this away here. And look, oh yeah, that pin is on a large bus thing. That is frustrating. What that means is the heat can be dissipated. I really don't want to do this, like hurt this thing. I'm going to leave it on longer. Work it around a bit. Try sucking. Ooh, I think I got it. Now, I will take out my incredibly powerful glasses. This is where I get my head way down over top. And I can get a really good look at everything. Might use a light. I'm in my own light, as my grandmother would say. So it does look like it's not bad. But there is one pin this one that could use a little push, a little shove. Alright, now we'll see how this went. Is that the right ship? There, yes. That's the right ship. I will now take a little screwdriver and try and get underneath. Okay, that one's good. That side, coming out that side. The other side is still, oh, it's coming. I have to go to the other end here. But we're not there yet. Excuse me. It is indeed this side is still having issues, and this one I think they've all shifted a bit. As I'm doing this, maybe I will try and suck a little bit more out of this corner. Then I will turn the board over. Is this our ship? It is. And I will pry. Okay, the one side is completely out, which is dandy. Oh, 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 oh. We are so close. We are so close. We are out. Alright, I'm going to unplug the soldering iron. Now, I ran this thing on this disk drive. It's supposed to take maybe 40-45 minutes to do 10 copies. It did not. It took like 9 minutes. In other words, not happening. Drive 0 is not doing its thing. But it's funny, earlier, drive 1 is not doing its thing. Drive 0 is also not doing its thing at all. So I'm going to take this and drive 1, put it in drive 0, trickle the thing, keeping away from the hot soldering iron. Right. That disk is not happy. I have other disks. That disk is reading fine in drive 0. I will try the same disk in drive 1. And I think you can hear that it is not pleased. It is not pleased. Alright, this is peculiar. Alright, LRD 0. Well, I'm going to try something. I'll put a disk into drive 0. I'm going to say new. I'll put 10. I'm going to header quote drive 0 quote comma I XX comma D0. And I think I'm going to do this for I equals 1, 2, 10. And then line 15, next, I. So this should try and format this disk 10 times. And maybe because I can in 12, I'll put catalog D0 and print DS $sign. And now I will run. So undoubtedly the iron is cooling down. And here is the 2114 chip that we just removed. So the next thing to do, once the iron is cool and things are happening here, is I will open up this PET. Oh, excuse me. Open up this PET. And, oh, I should take this chip out of here for a second. I should examine the pins. Just to see. First of all, there's none that are bent or broken or upset. They seem okay. I mean, they're always a little weird, the things that have been soldered in. They do. But anyway, I should be able to take this chip and put it in that PET and test it. And if it works, so be it. I'll put it in a socket, I'll put it back in. If it doesn't, I'll put it in a socket, and I'll try another chip. Maybe one of the ones that I stole from the VIC-20s. And then we'll see. We will see. Anyway, okay. The drive 0 is still seeming to be doing its thing okay in this drive. This is the 4040 we're testing. And that's all good, but drive 1 definitely is not. So, are we having an issue with the actual drive, or is there something on the motherboard that is giving us grief? I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for being here for this de-soldering. Stay tuned as we test this RAM chip. Bye for now.